How to install hinge joint. Bekaert high tensile field fence is installed using the same standard H braces discussed earlier. High tensile field fence can be installed using post spacings of up to 16 feet. Braces should be installed every 660 feet for high tensile field fence. Begin by unrolling 25 to 30 feet of the fence with the small openings at the base of the line posts. Leave 2 to 3 feet extra at the end post. Strip the first 2 or 3 stay wires so you have enough wire to tie off the fence. Stand the wire up against the brace and temporarily staple the wire square with the brace using the stay wire as a guide. Wrap one line wire around the post and back around itself 4 or 5 times. Repeat this for all line wires. When all lines are tied off, unroll the rest of the wire. If additional length is needed, splice in an additional roll using crimping sleeves. Tension the fence using a stretcher bar and 2 stretcher bar pullers placed 6 to 8 feet from the end post. Make sure each line wire is underneath a wedge so all wires pull equally. Attach one chain to the top of the end post and the other to the bottom. Use care to keep the chains twist-free. Slowly tension the fence. It is a good idea to stop and check your fence line for obstructions as tensioning continues. Once the fence reaches the desired tension, stand it up against the posts. Cut the fence approximately 2 to 3 feet past the end post. Tie off the fence using the same method as the other end. Pull as much slack out by hand as possible. When all the lines are tied off, slowly remove the tensioning device and stretcher bar. Staple the fence to the line post using Bekaert Class 3 barbed staples. Staple the bottom 2 wires, then every other wire and the top. Leave room for the wire to move between the post and staple. If using T-post, fasten the wire with Class 3 clips. If working on rolling ground, staple the high points first, then the dips, then the remaining fence. Bekaert high tensile hinge joint fence can be topped with a single strand of high tensile barbed or smooth wire.